to remind you that we just had a workshop on how to test your business idea and create a minimal viable product in 4 weeks. So we went through the whole process of building a business, building minimal viable product, customer interviews, customer personas, and interviewing people, and building your landing pages. And today is more practical session for the marketplace. So we're going right away building the marketplace. MVP. What is a marketplace? A marketplace, it's usually a platform. It's a type of a business where you connect customers and service providers. So basically, your business is a liaison between the two. For example, like Airbnb is liaison between people who are renting their homes, out, and the people who looking to stay in the homes. Same for the Uber, people who look in the rides versus people who provide in the rides. So these are the marketplace. There are lots of marketplaces around. You probably know even like about them. Maybe you didn't notice, but if you know any examples, feel free to type in the chat. We'll be happy to discuss. So for the marketplace, I have to just tell you that you already have to have an assumptions for your business that this service will be required. For example, today we will be building a platform for business coaching. So there are people who would like to build business, and there are coaches, the business coaches, you can call them also mentors, who provide their services to help businesses this service, either to build the new business or to grow the new business, or maybe to grow the existing business as well. All right. So what I did, just to save the time, I installed the WordPress on the domain marketplace.cryptocheesehatchery.com, and we're going to build this MVP from the scratch. All right. So I'm going through WordPress starter tutorial, like so tutorial the wizard, which helps me to select the form, the template that I actually like. So let's see which one I like for our business. For example, the company style, right? So seems like a good choice. So what we will have, there's a recommended functionality. So Jetpack I always select because it helps me to see if my site is ever down. It sends me the email. Nothing else here. Maybe we'll install also Google Analytics, and we do the SEO, search engine optimization, which helps me to optimize my site to so it could be found by by the search engines, by Google, for example, or Bing, and it appears in their searches. Anything else? I don't really need for now. The less, the better for the WordPress website. Less you do, faster your website will be. So now I just will wait until when it's installed the theme, which is a kind of like a website template, and then we will start working with it. So I remind you, the idea is business owners, they would like to get a service of the coaching service from business coaches, and we connect them using this platform, using this marketplace platform. All right, so let's see how my website will look like. There you go. So this is how this website looks like. This is just the template, empty website, but we already have a logo, menu. We have home page. So this is the whole thing is a home page. It's consists of different sections. We don't need all the sections for our MVP. So we will just go in and editing it out. So first, what we will edit out going to be menu. So we're going to skip the wizard. I'm going to be adding the menu. Every time you go to edit menu, you go and click customize. So on the customize function brings you to this admin menu where you can actually select menus and select the menu that are existing. And you see this menu is consistent with the menu that we have up top here, right? And what I will not need, I will need this portfolio. I will not need this one. I will not need any news. So we'll just need the very minimum, right? So we'll have home, about us, and contact us. So that's enough for our platform. And we click publish. And just close it. And that's how our website will look like. So this is 3 menu items. You can also, if you click customize, you can also go ahead and edit out this, the agency, right? So here the logo, you can change the logo. So for now, we just leave this logo. So we will not be changing anything. I don't have any logo that I prepared, so I will just go with that one. And we also are going to go and install some additional plugins, because what I would like to have on my website, I would like to have ability to copy pages over. So this is a very powerful functionality. If I can copy over the pages, so if I create one page, I can, duplicate it many times, and that's what I want, because um, for this marketplace, I will need at least 2 landing pages. I will need one landing page for business owners, and I need one landing page for business coaches. Right, so 2 landing pages, and maybe I will need also one and I cannot call it landing page, it's a home page for the whole platform, just for the people when they come to my website, just to explain what this website, like what this platform is about and what it does. And we will have 2 buttons there for business owners and business coaches. All right, so but for that, I will need this page duplication, and I will need to install plugin for it. So WordPress work through plugins a lot. So plugins is just a little programs that was written by people, and majority of them, lots of them are free of charge. So, and this is kind of like a pieces of code when you can just plug into your website and they work. You don't need to, create a code, anything. You can just use a kind of like out of the box functionality. So I will just tell in the search, because you notice I said add new, and here I'm looking at a duplicate page plugin. So and you see there's lots of plugins that are already available, because people are competing between each other when writing the plugins. I will select the one that has most reviews and also the best reviews, right? So this is the duplicate page. That's the plugin I would like to select. So I install it and I activate it. So this way, this plugin installed, and how to use it, I'll show you. We go to pages, all pages, and these are my pages so far. So when you go to my website, we will have homepage. So this is the page that you just saw. There is also news page, portfolio, which we don't need. Basically, we can delete it, but I will just leave it like this. But also there is about us and contact page. So let me see how. So here, unfortunately, Zoom does not allow me to see all the tabs. So there you go. For example, so this is about us page, so we can change it as we want as well. It's pretty standard. It's the story, then the goal, and also a team. So we will leave it alone. But this is just I'm just explaining you what pages there are on this website right now. And so these are the ones we are interested in the home, which is front page, and we will just duplicate it so we can use the um, um, so we can leave the draft like a home page copy if we need any of the sections later, because right now we're going to go edit it and we're going to delete out lots of the stuff from the front page because we don't need it.